In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom right one, and first of all set up an hour at the top. Now, if you want to use this alarm only once, you can enable this option called Delete After Goes Off by clicking on gray switcher next to it. If you want to use it more than once, select Repeat and tap on one of those options. Once, Daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. If you selected Custom, click on Days of the Week. Choose OK to save them and wait. Then go back. Now by selecting the ringtone, you can pick one of those melodies. Or hit all ringtones and click on one of those. You can also tap on pre-installed ringtones here. Tap on Apply next to the best one. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also use this plus at the bottom right corner. Click on one of those sound sources. And click on one of your songs from your device to apply it. Just tap on the chosen one. Hit OK at the bottom left corner. And then choose Apply next to it to set it up. Then hit OK and go back one more time. Now you can enable or disable haptics for this alarm thanks to this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds. And finally tap on Label to name it. Choose Set, and to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it and pick one of the options in the pop-up. To make some changes, click on your alarm, tap on Additional Settings, change whatever you want to, and to discard those changes, click this X at the top left corner. To save them, tap on the check mark at the top right one. Last but not least, to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and hit remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!